Good day, y'all. It's David Marah here, and we are getting ready to open up the segment of Got Plants. Got plants. Yes, yes, yes. I got plants. I've been trying to grow, keep, maintain plants for the last 5 years, but honestly, I haven't found the plant that I can't kill until 2020. I used to have a few assortment of flowers in the sunflower family. It's kind of like between a sunflower and a daisy. It's like right in the middle. But I was not successful in keeping them alive until my friend Amelia, the brown plant girl, she gifted me with my first arrangement of succulents. I'm going to show you my baby. So this one here is my first arrangement of succulents. This pretty mama is approximately 8 months old. I received her in January, at the top of January, and she made it 8 months. 8 months. I didn't kill her. Now, one thing I can say is I had her inside in my room, but I was not opening the blinds so that she can get enough sunlight. So she was withering away. But I rescued her. I put her out on my terrace. I go out and check on her, and look at her. She's flourishing. So this is my small, well, I would say a medium succulent arrangement. Now, I fell in love with succulents so much that I had the brown plant girl create me a large succulent arrangement. I'm gonna show you her right now. I can't pick her up because she is very heavy. I call all my plants she. That's just me. Plant mama and her plant babies. So I'm going to show you a visual of her, and I'm going to kind of go through. I don't know the names. I just know the families that they come from, so bear with me. So here is my large succulent arrangement. This is one part of the cactus family. Another cactus family here. And this is the furry cactus. Isn't it gorgeous? And I have other assortment of succulents. I don't know the name, so I'm not going to be on here acting like I know all that. I don't. I'm still learning. But my goal is to make sure they continue to grow. And so far, I've been doing really well. There was a time where I had it on a side that was too close to the sun, and it started to kind of burn, and it wasn't getting enough. It was just too close to the sun. But I watered it, brought it back to life, and now I have new sprouts here. I have new sprouts. Okay. So this is my large succulent, and this is my medium succulent. Let me show you my other house plants. This pretty thing here is a foliage. Foliage. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Well, it's a foliage. Okay, long shiny leaves, a nice little porch of little small leaves, nice body, sturdy, beautiful. And it's a foliage. This is the name right here. Boom. It's an indoor, it's a house plant. And the most famous member, the snake plant. I got to stand up to show you the snake plant. Honey, everybody loves a good snake plant. And I love my snake plant. So yeah, those are my babies. I love them. I nurture them, talk to them, and the greenery is so freaking relaxing. My favorite flower is the sunflower, but I tried to actually grow my own sunflower. So yes, with the sunflower, I actually got the sunflower seeds. I used to work at a outdoor camp, like a nature camp, and they had like little packets of sunflower seeds. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna grow my own sunflowers, and ooh la la, ba ba ba. And I put the sunflower seed in the pot, and over time, yes, it sprouted. Child, That stem was so dang on skinny, but I was like, okay, it's gonna keep growing. How about I got a sunflower bud and the flower went like this. Whoop. Child, I did not know you have to pin another freaking like wood pencil or like a wood plank against the stem to keep it standing. So yeah, once that flower went woo, my dreams and aspiration of growing sunflowers went out the window. And now look at me. I'm a plant mama to only succulents and houseplants. Once I get my knowledge up, then I'll move on to bigger and better things. Hopefully, I will have a sunflower garden sometime soon. Thank you so much for tuning in to Got Plants. Peace.